Let me ask you something. Have you ever been in the middle of an exercise, let's say bicep curls or squats, and you feel like you're fighting for your life just to finish the set? You start strong, but halfway through your body starts doing this weird twisty thing, or you have to bounce the weight off your chest just to get it back up. If that sounds familiar, you might be making the number one mistake that keeps people stuck for months or even years. You are using too much weight, and I know why you do it. It feels good to lift heavy. It makes you feel strong. But here's the truth that most people never figure out. Using too much weight doesn't build muscle faster. It actually trains your body to cheat, and it stops your results completely. So today, I am going to show you 3 simple signs that prove you need to lighten up, and then I will show you exactly how to earn the right to go heavier safely. Let's start with sign number 1. Your form falls apart before your muscles get tired. Here is what I mean. Imagine you are doing a shoulder press. On rep 1 and 2, your back is flat, your core is tight, and the weights move smoothly. But on rep 5, suddenly you are arching your lower back like a rainbow and you have to use your legs to push the weights up. That is not a shoulder exercise anymore. That is a whole body emergency movement. When you lose good form just to move the weight from point A to point B, you are not building muscle. You are building bad habits. Your muscles learn the wrong pattern, and this is exactly how people hurt their lower backs or their shoulders. So here is your simple fix. The moment you notice your hips twisting, your back rounding, or your shoulders shrugging up to your ears, consider that rep your finish line. Stop the set right there. The weight is too heavy, and that is perfectly okay. Now, sign number 2 is one of my favorites, because almost everyone does it without realizing it. You are using momentum instead of muscle strength. This is super easy to spot. Look at your dumbbell rows or your bicep curls. Are you swinging the weight up like you are starting a lawnmower? Or during a squat, are you bouncing out of the bottom so fast that you cannot control the movement? Momentum is like a fake friend. It makes you feel strong, but it steals all the work away from your target muscle. For example, if you are swinging your body to curl a heavy barbell, your lower back and your shoulders are doing the lifting, not your biceps. So your biceps never actually get stronger. Here's the simple test you can do today. Slow down the lowering part of the exercise. Take a full 2 seconds to bring the weight back down. If you cannot control the weight on the way down without it crashing, that is a clear sign. Drop the weight by 20 or even 30%. I promise you, controlled lightweight builds 10 times more muscle than sloppy, heavy weight. And sign number 3 is the most important one. You feel the exercise in your joints instead of your muscles. There is a big difference between muscle burning and joint aching. Muscle burn feels like a deep warmth or a shaking tiredness in the middle of the muscle belly, like in your quad or your chest. Joint pain is sharp, clicky, or it sits right in your knees, lower back, or elbows. For example, if you are doing push-ups and your shoulders feel like they are grinding or pinching, but your chest feels nothing, that is a sign you are using too much body weight without the stability to handle it. Or if your knees hurt at the bottom of a lunge, the weight you are holding might be forcing your knee into a bad angle. Your joints should never be the bottleneck. So here's what you do. The very next workout, reduce the weight to a point where you can do the exercise with 0 joint discomfort. If that means using just your body weight or even a broomstick, that is your starting point. You are not weak. You are being smart. Now let me tell you the secret to earning the right to go heavier. This is the part most gyms never teach. You do not move up in weight just because you finished 10 reps. You move up when you have mastered 3 things. First, you can complete all your reps with perfect form and no momentum. Second, you feel the target muscle working, not your joints. And third, you could actually do 2 or 3 more clean reps if you had to. This is called the 2-second rule. Lower the weight for 2 full seconds, pause for 1 second at the bottom, then lift explosively. If you can do 8 reps this way with no cheating, then and only then, add the smallest amount of weight possible. For dumbbells, that might be just 2 or 3 pounds. For a barbell, that might be 5 pounds on each side. and then you repeat the same test. This slow, honest progression is how beginners become strong intermediates. It is not flashy, but it works every single time. So here's your takeaway for today's workout. The next time you exercise, forget about the number on the weight plate. Focus on the feeling. If you lose form, swing the weight, or feel joint pain, lighten the load immediately. You are not taking a step backwards. You are actually clearing the path to move forward. Give yourself permission to lift lighter for the next 2 weeks. I guarantee your muscles will feel more activation and your joints will thank you. If this video made things simpler for you, try one of these tips in your very next set and see the difference for yourself. I will see you in the next video.